Look what I found. Oh, what that is, well, we got a Toyota Tacoma. Let me keep the camera from bouncing around. Right up in the motor mount here. There's one on each side. There's one bolt on this side, and then one goes through this edge right here. Yeah, it's darn hard to see, but right here. See where my finger is. You can see that piece is broken off. Well, that is actually part of the frame. That's going to have to be taken off, and then this whole piece is going to have to be right here. It's going to have to be cut off, and then a new piece put on. I think it's coming out of there. Let's see if I can get my hand in there. You probably won't be able to see. Alright, here's your mount. You can see that was seeing those areas of wear. And then here's the two pieces. And then where that goes is right there. That's the frame mount, motor mount. Let's see if I can get my hand up back in here. So you can see the ears right here, and then the piece that's broken off goes right in this area, and then there's one on that other side. So I've got to saw this piece off and make a new one. I've got my new saw blade here, so I can at least reach up in there to get it. So I've got it just like that. Got a little ways to go, but it's loud and time consuming. The frames are not the easiest thing to cut through, especially with the hacksaw. Let's see if I can get that off of there. Gotta have both hands, and I'll give you a follow-up. And I've got this thing on too. Alright, I got this on a piece of paper here as a contrast. This is the piece that I had to cut off. You can see I tried to shave it as close as I could. Some areas it was a little bit too close, but you can kind of see. Let's see if that one goes to this side. Let's see if I laid it down this way. Then the other piece here. Up. Yeah, that's about right. So this is welded to the frame, and these ears broke off. So I think if I go a little bit thicker. Hi, Poppers. What are you doing, girl? Anyway, I think we'll find a piece of thick metal here and see if we can get that. It looks like it's been broke for some time. Alright, so now I've got that piece of metal drilled out. Got one of the bolts in there and got them drilled out. on both sides. I can get this thing to cooperate with me. So that should be good. Kind of reminds me of something. Anyway, let's see if we can't get that in there. Right, so there's that piece that I cut off right there. So I've had to put a zip tie in here to hold this pipe up. And then this, what this does is go down in here. You got to kind of hold the whole thing together like that, and then stick it up in that hole up inside there. But there's a problem. The problem is my power ram, my snap-on cylinder here, decided to belch all over the place. But let me see if I can get this thing up here. Let's see here. I had to get a pneumatic one. Oh, go here. Now, let's see. Okay. Let's see what's... Alright, now it's going up. Yeah, it looks like that one's leaking just as bad as the other one. Crap! I think everything's made in China these days. Alright, let's see here. So I can... I better locate the nut first, because who knows where that thing went now. Alright, I got it up here. Let's see what that does. Down in there. I got my hand here. Alright, got it set down in there. Now, let's drop this snap-on one. Okay, that one's down. Now, drop this one here. Nice and easy. Yep. Let's see how that looks. Looks pretty even. Yeah, okay. Let's try that. The next hurdle's going to be getting that welder out here. It's not really that portable, but keep in mind we're working outside. Always have, probably always will. Well, not the greatest weld right there. That's just a spot weld. Everything else I did underneath, since it's cupped, I got to spray it down with some anti-rust agent. But yeah, my grandmother could weld better than that. But I just wanted to get it in there and get it set. Looks like it's pretty good shape. Alright, back on the Toyota here this morning. And as you can kind of see up inside there where I had to weld, kind of up on the inside where that bracket meets the housing. And it's kind of hard to see. Put the flashlight up in here. You can kind of see where I had to roll the edge, and it would spit back up onto the torch, so I had to put a little extra up in there. But I think it's going to hold okay. Then everything's torqued down here. Tight there. Motor mount's tight, back into place. Everything's going back. It's got a couple of little leaks that'll probably have to be looked at some point. But 300,000 miles, I think it's okay. I've got these skid shields to put back. So other than that, I think we're done. I'm going to throw down another thumbs up for you. Like, share, and subscribe if you like, and we'll see you on the next one.